Yesterday I put up a story asking you guys what makeup looks you all wanted to see, and most of the words that came in were natural, nude, minimal, summer. So I've just put all of those words together and I'm gonna show you guys my version of a nude natural makeup look. I've already prepped my skin. If you guys want to see how I prepped my skin, there's a video on my reel feed. It's called Summer Skin Prep. You can check that out. And I'm just going to take a quick few seconds to talk about my hair, because I'm having a really good hair day and I'm also super proud of my Dyson skills. I use the Dyson Airwrap and I use the bigger barrel this time to get this soft natural blowout, and it just turned out really nice. I've put it all here on display. Okay, I just wanted to talk about that for a second. Now we can move on to the makeup. I'm starting off with the Smashbox Studio Skin Hydrating Foundation. I've been using the shit out of this foundation. I love that it's really creamy and it blends like butter. You just take a little bit and you can literally blend it all over your face and get that just the right amount of coverage. Oh, and definitely blend it with a damp beauty blender. Next up, I'm going to take my concealer and add it on the points of my face that I want to highlight, and the points on my face that probably cause shadows and light, like my smile lines, frown lines, under my eyes, and a bit on my forehead. Adding the same concealer on my eyelids as well as a base or a primer for my shadow. I have super oily skin in the summers and I tend to sweat a lot, so translucent powder is my best friend. And this Becca one is so sheer, I love it. It just sets everything in place without looking cakey. I normally love a strong contour, but just because of the humidity situation right now, I'm going in with a softer powder contour along my cheekbones, and I'm just going to go over my jawline as well. Now, the trick that I use for natural makeup is actually using the same contour shade on your eyelids as well, just to give a little definition to your eyes. Since I want a really soft makeup look, I'm not going in with any dark eyeliner. Also, I don't know how to put eyeliner on my own, so I'm just taking this K-Beauty brown eye pencil and I'm going to use a smudging brush just to make it even softer and blend it in. And with the leftover product on my blending brush, I'm just going to add a hint of shadow under my eyes as well. Brows are super tricky for me because I have extremely bushy, thick brows. So instead of using any pigmented product, I prefer just using a brown shadow. I'm using my Dior palette, the brown from my Dior palette, to just fill in the gaps and finish my brows. If you have a similar brow situation, then definitely get a spoolie and a good angled brush. I never finish any look without mascara, and this Benefit Magnet mascara is a maze. I do love my cream blushes, but because it's summer, I'm gonna go in with this Bobbi Brown warm pink blush on my cheeks and a bit on my nose for that blushed look. I am obsessed with the glow that you get from this Bobbi Brown shimmer brick. It's not too gold, it's not too heavy looking. It gives you that mild pearl glow finish, and I'm gonna add a bit on my eyelids and on my inner corners as well. It gives you that glow without it looking super shiny. It actually gives you a matte glow, which I love. Finishing off with the dusty nude pink lipstick, and this Tom Ford Indian Rose is literally the perfect nude pink, at least for my skin tone. And there you go. This is how I do my summer blushed natural but matte nude pink look.